KGF Sri Mahavir Jain School celebrated graduation day for kindergarten students at school on 28 February 2025. Many school kids dressed as a graduate were honored by the President Sushil Kumar and the Secretary Ashok Jain. Dances by school students. Large number of parents attended the program and watched their kids' talents.
Harini kind, Hima attentive, Jia
graduation means earlier those who pass degree classes, they only will get about graduation. But here seeing this teeny lot of children getting graduation is a very happy occasion for us to join this function. On behalf of the management, I assure the parents that your children are safe in the hands of our school teachers. Those who are putting very good efforts to bring your children to this level, and further they will grow like anything. One suggestion for the children that they should respect their parents, because parents are very important in our life, because they are given birth to you. So you give respect to the parents, teachers and your elders. Always go to your parents. Under the leadership of Mr. Sushi, the school has grown like anything. I hope that further it will grow, and it will be us. Presently we have the #1 school in the KGF. As we got first rank under the leadership of Lata. I hope we get 2 ranks this time. And I hope that we will get 2 ranks this time. The children have performed very well. The teachers, the kindergarten teachers have performed very well. I, on behalf of the management, I thank the children, everybody, and parents, those who are supported the institution in bringing this institution to this stage. Thank you, everybody. Thank you very much.
Graduated one level of learning, but learning throughout your life. To the parents, I would say that your support to us is immense, which we could even watch here. The ladies, the mothers dancing with the children. As rightly said before, that first teacher is mother. With the dedicated teachers, their patience, their dedication is really commendable. At Mahavir Jain School, what I believe, what product we want is full product. What do we mean by full? We want the child to be emotionally, physically and mentally fit. To see that the child is fully grown, fully grown, we work tirelessly, and your support is always there. The teachers, the set of teachers, I really say we are blessed to have such a principal and the set of teachers. So thank you. I will not take much of your time. Thank you parents. Keep enjoying, keep watching this graduation ceremony. Thank you.
100% pure and clean. No compromise. Best quality. Family restaurant. 100% Hambur and Dindukal styled biryani. 100% Venus biryani.
Near Government Maternity Hospital, Maharaja Road, Robertsonpet.
For all NCERT, CBSE textbooks, guides, PUC, ITI, BE textbooks, guides and classmate notes, and for all the types of stationery available only at Satya Bookstore, opposite to Karur Vaishya ATM, Aladamara, Bemmal Nagar, KGF. For more details, contact 8073962145.